Hi, in this demo of Form Titan and Salesforce, I wanted to show you how you can utilize the new text editor to get or save Salesforce data, rich text data. Rich text data is just HTML formatted data. There's a rich text control in Salesforce. I've added it to my contact. Now I want to capture a contact and allow them to enter some HTML text. So to do that, I will first bring in the email address field, and I'll put it here. Just make it a bit smaller, and then I'll bring in the full name. You can see how I'm using the new search facility we have as well to add controls, which is quite nice. Just make it small like that, something like that, and let's bring the last name bit out. And then obviously I want to add the rich text control or text editor, so I'll position it here. I'll just make it a bit shorter in height so we can see the button. Perfect. So these are the controls we have. Now obviously I want to connect it to Salesforce. So if I go to Salesforce integration, push data to Salesforce, click edit, and then add object, and here we'll select the contact object that we want to create. And map field is quite simple. I'll change it to form mapping. So I want to map the email, the first name, the last name, and the rich text setting and property I've added to my contact. That's it, and I click apply and finish, and that's done. Now if I click publish, we can see our form. So his email is rich@text.com, his name is rich text. And here now you've got a full rich text editor to enter any kind of HTML you'd like. So for example, I can say hello, and maybe I want this to be bold and italic, and then you can change maybe the color of the text to red, and so on and so forth. You can also insert tables. So if I want a table with 3 columns and 2 rows, you do that, and you can say 1, 2, 3, and then A, B, C, and so on and so forth. So you got full control over everything. You can have links, images, the full shebang, as they say. So when I click submit, it goes off to Salesforce and creates the contact. So let's go to my Salesforce window, and here is the rich text contact we've just created with the rich text data we have just supplied. That's how easy it is to save the data. To get the data, it's exactly the same way, and you just map the rich text to the rich text control, and it will be displayed. So let's do that quickly. So we'll do it by email. So we'll go to get from Salesforce, map fields, and then add object. And here again I'll select the contact object, and I'll match it on email. So I'll say get me the contact whose email in Salesforce equals to the email on the form. And then we'll just map the first name, the last name, and the rich text setting. Oops, not that one, that one. Click apply and apply again. Now because of the condition is on email, that's when the get will be executed. Let's see. So I'll just go to my Salesforce and copy the email address of this guy. I'll put it here, and as soon as I tab out of the field, everything is loaded, including the rich text data. That's how easy it is to read and write rich text data or HTML data to and from Salesforce. Thank you.